Hi guys, it's Ava back with you again. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a makeup using, you guessed it, finger. Yeah, I'm gonna use fingers and brush. So we are going to compare fingers to the brushes and we will see which one will turn out better. Stay tuned for the rest. Okay, so I'm gonna start with just putting the foundation. I obviously have primed my face first. Use the moisturizer, so now I'm going to just try to push this foundation using the fingers in my face. I obviously prefer a beauty blender. Now we go and use a brush for the other side of the face, and we just put the foundation on the face using only the brush. Okay, now as you can see on the side that I used the brush, it looks much better, more matte and more mixed with my skin, while on the other side it looks less blended with my skin. Oh boy, like look at this contour. Contouring with finger is awful. Ugh, look at that. Okay, so yeah, it you can see the results, but yeah, it was hard, it was tough. So I liked applying it to some extent, but fading it was a nightmare. Like, don't do that, because I thought before start of this video, I thought it could be done to some extent, but really fading it was horrible. And after a while I looked in the mirror under the good light, and yeah, it was not good. Now brush on the other hand was not better either, so it was slightly better, especially on applying it, but when I faded it out, it just filled the pores of my skin and it didn't really fade out and mix well with the rest of the foundation. So for both sides I recommend a beauty blender, because a wet beauty blender definitely does a better job in fading, and also it takes a little bit of excess. And as you see, the side that I use the brush, the face looks more upwards, meaning that I did a better job putting it in the correct places, and on the other side it looked a bit downwards. Now the eyeliner, so I'm gonna apply it with the finger. I don't think it will work at all, so oh my god, it works. Like, this is my new makeup hack. I'm going to post a TikTok about this right now. Like, it worked. From today, I'm going to just use my fingers for putting the eyeliners. Yeah. And it looks like I did a better job using my finger, but that's not totally for the pencil to be blamed. That's mostly my fault. But like, probably I'm just better with my fingers. Oh, that actually sounds like not so family friendly thing to say. Okay, now for some reason I decided to put my concealer after doing the eyeliner. That was like a little bit slightly not the way to do it, but it faded away very well with the brush. Now let's use the finger. Oh boy, as you see, it made my eyes look way worse, and I am not getting away with this. Between you and I had to actually eventually use a bit of the brush and the beauty blender under my other eye because it looked just horrible. Now under the eye, using the finger, the big finger for my eye, and way too thick. But we have fingers, so we can clean it up, and we saved it. Yeah, I guess it was not such a bad situation after all. The eyebrows, I'm actually interested to see how this turns out, because now I know how it turned out, but I was really interested to know, and I thought that this would be impossible, but as you see, it kind of worked as well as the brush. I actually like this other eyebrow more. Like, it looked a bit more natural, less artificial. But again, if I don't know how to use a brush to do my eyebrows, that's really on me. But I guess my eyebrows turned out well, both of them. Okay, now the lips probably isn't much of a challenge to apply with the finger. And now to make it a bit more complicated, I'm gonna add a little bit more dimension using another different color on the sides, and this will also create some sort of a shadow. Oh boy, my face does not look symmetrical at all, and oh, look at that contour. It doesn't look good. It just doesn't. I couldn't fade it at all. Nose looks not so clean. Eyeliner, not the best after all. But I still like my eyebrows. Okay, let's go to the blush part. For the blush, I actually really do like both hands and brush. But I think for this specific case, the brush worked fine. What is this hand gesture? I just suddenly remembered this is like for a movie or something. Does anybody know where this hand gesture is from? I could not remember. Anyway, so as you see, the face foundation contouring, no. The eyebrows, yeah. Eyeliner, I would say meh. But yeah, so actually this was the first time that I did a full makeup only using the finger. And I think that from now on I may actually use my finger more often for doing my eyebrows. So I really liked it. It was very fast and less problematic. Thank you guys for staying with this video. Don't forget to like it and have a good day.